Welcome to Malibu Motors. Today we're looking at a 2021 Porsche Macan, white on black, with black appearance package. This car has lots of upgrades, so it's new body style obviously. It's got the 360 camera, not just a backup camera. Black appearance package giving you all the different black trimmings. So if you look at all the moldings, the door handles, the roof rail, which is an upgrade, just the roof rail alone. Really nice vehicle, low K, local vehicle, in mint condition. Still got Porsche warranty on it as well. It does have good cargo space if you're looking for something not too big, but you want some cargo space. Power trunk, of course. It's also equipped with parking sensors, and again, 360 camera, not just a backup camera. So a lot of them have only backup camera. And this model has a panoramic roof. So some of them will have just no sunroof or regular sunroof, but this has a panoramic roof. We do have in the back here the heated seats, and again, as I showed you, BOSE sound system, keyless go, Porsche logo on the floor when you open it up. This particular one has 27,548. Obviously it has Apple CarPlay because it's loaded up, navigation, which is an option. You do have the heated and air-cooled seats, so both of them there. And you can go to sport mode, things like that. And a lot of the safety features like lane assist, things like that. So again, if you go into reverse, you'll see the camera. And then you can go to panoramic views. You can change the view over here from different ones that you want to look at. Okay. Again, 27,548. This baby hasn't been worked in yet. And over here you can change different settings as well. Really nice, clean vehicle. Recommend you come check it out. MalibuMotors.ca, 416-661-6623. Thanks for watching. Malibu Motors.